How to hide likes on threads. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. So the process is very easy and simple. Just go ahead and open up your Threads app. And once you do that, you want to navigate to your profile page by clicking on the profile icon at the bottom right. Once you are here, you need to click on the globe icon at the top left corner of your screen, and from there all the way at the bottom you will see an option that says hide likes. Click on it. Once you do that, you will be redirected to this page right here, in which you will see there's an option that says hide likes, and it tells you that these settings will also apply to threads. So click on the toggle next to it to turn it on. And as you can see, it tells you that the number of likes on posts from other accounts will be hidden, and you can hide the number of likes on your own posts by going to advanced settings before sharing. So this will apply to other people's posts as well as your own posts. Depending on each post that you want to share, before you share it, you can hide the number of likes on it. And this applies both ways on Instagram as well as Threads. It's that easy and simple. So that was it for this video. That's how you can hide likes on the Threads app. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.